Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to solve differential problems about trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, exponential functions, and lastly, solving a maxima and minima problem. For our first problem, we have y equals tangent squared times quantity of x cubed minus 8. So, sa problem na ito, gagamit tayo ng chain rule. So, y prime is equals to derivative ng tangent squared is 2 tangent times ito sa loob ng parenthesis natin x cubed minus 8 times the derivative of ito tangent x cubed minus 8. So susunod natin gagawin is ililib muna to para mag-focus muna dito sa pagkuha ng derivative. So derivative ng tangent is secant squared times, kunin muna natin ito, ikakopy lang kasi gumamit tayo ng chain rule, x cubed minus 8 times yung derivative ng nasa loob ng parenthesis. So derivative ng x cubed is 3x squared, derivative ng 8 is 0. After nyan, i-combine natin itong dalawa. So 2 tangent x cubed minus 8 times secant squared x cubed minus 8 times 3x squared. As you can see, pwede pa siyang ma-simplify. So 3x squared times 2, 6x squared. Uunahin natin itong second kasi mas mataas yung degree niya kaysa sa tangent. Secant squared x cubed minus 8 tangent x cubed minus 8. So ito na yung derivative ng ating function. Second is all about logarithmic function. So y equals, we have simple problem ln times quantity of x cubed times tangent squared x. So sa logarithmic, mayroong property na nagsasabi na pwede nating i-break itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. So magiging ln to x cubed, since multiplication to, magiging plus or addition pag na-break na siya. ln tangent, so ang gagawin natin dito sa tangent squared x is tangent x raised to 2. At meron ding property sa logarithmic nagsasabing yung exponent pwede siya maging coefficient. So 3 ln x plus to 2 ln tangent x. So pwede natin siyang ma-derive. d over dx. So derivative na ng, so copy yung coefficient na 3. Derivative ng ln x is 1 over x plus derivative nito ay copy, then derivative ng ln tangent x is 1 over tangent x times, gamit yung chain rule, derivative ng tangent x is secant squared x. After nyan, meron siyang LCD. Yung LCD niyan is x tangent x. So, yun. Wait lang. Ito, magiging 3 over x plus 2 second squared x all over tangent x. Yan. So, dito tayo mag-base. So, yung maiiwan is tangent x times 3 tangent x plus ito, which is yung maiiwan is x lang, 2 x second squared x. So, pwede ba siya ma-simplify? Hindi na siya. Simplified form na ito. So, yung derivative ng ating function is 3 tangent x plus 2x second squared x all over x tangent x. Ang third problem natin is all about exponential. So, meron tayong sample problem na equals e raised to cotangent 3x squared minus x. So, medyo tricky to, pero yung gagamitin lang natin is yun pa rin, chain rule. X cotangent 3x squared minus x. So, pag kukuha tayo ng derivative ng isang exponential function, i-copy lang natin yung given function. So, parang ganito siya. Now, y prime is equals to function, yung binigay na function, times derivative ng exponent ng function. So, first, i-copy lang e cotangent 3x squared minus x times the derivative of yung exponent niya, cotangent 3x squared minus x. Yun. So, ililive muna natin to para mag-focus din sa pagkuha ng derivative ng cotangent. So, derivative ng cotangent is negative cosecant squared. Lahat ng derivative ng mga may co na function is negative. Times, gumamit tayo ng chain rule, so ikakopy yung sa loob ng parenthesis. Minus x times yung derivative ng nasa loob, which is 3 times 2, 6x minus derivative ng x is 1. So, after nyan, i-combine na naman natin yung dalawa. E raised to cotangent 3x squared minus x times negative cosecant squared 3x squared minus x times quantity of 6x minus 1. So, yung final answer natin is negative x, kasi ito negative 1 to ay i-multiply natin sa x. Cotangent 3x squared minus x cosecant squared 3x squared minus x times the quantity of 6x minus 1. Ito na yung derivative ng ating given exponential function. The last one is finding the maxima and the minima, and here is my sample problem. Find the dimension of a cylindrical can that will minimize its cost to store a 1 liter of liquids. So, sinulat ko na siya ahead of time para yung time na gagamitin ko sa pagsulat is gagamitin ko na lang pang explain. So here is the can. So surface area niya is yun na rin yung total material. So 2b plus LA, yung B is for base or area, which is pi r squared, and yung lateral area niya is 2 pi r height. So yung volume for 1 liter of liquid, so volume is equals to pi r squared, height is equals to 1 liter. So solve for H. Yeah, ito yung height, pi r squared, H over pi r squared is equals to 1 over pi r squared. So cancel ito. So yung maiwan is height is equals to 1 over pi r squared. So substitute H in surface area. Ito yung ating surface area, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r, substitute yung H dito, 1 over pi r squared. So ito na yung ating final answer. Bakit may naiwan na r? Kasi ito is pi r times r, then dito 2 pi r, cancel dito, cancel, may naiwan na r sa ilalim. So ito na yung ating surface area ngayon. S is equals to 2 pi r squared plus 2 r raised to negative 1. So find the derivative of the surface area. 4 pi r plus negative 2, kasi negative 1 times positive 2 is negative 2, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2 equals to 0. So ito na ito yung ating derived form, 4 pi r minus 2 r raised to negative 2. Ito. So solve for r, radius niya. So 4 pi r minus 2 r raised to negative 2 equals 0. So 4 pi r, itatranspose natin itong negative 2 sa kabila para magiging 4 pi r equals 2, bring down yung negative 2 kasi yung exponent niya is negative. So r raised to r squared. So 4 pi r cube is over is equals to 2. So para r cube na lang yung maiwan sa kabila, divide tayo ng 4 pi. So 4 pi, yung maiwan is r cube is equals to 2 over 4 pi. After nyan, para yung r na talaga yung maiwan, gagawin natin to cube root. So cube root ng r cube is r. So cube root ng 2 over 4, simplified form is 1 half, 1 over 2 pi. Cube root nya is ito. So r is equals to cube root of 1 over 2 pi, or ito. Since nakuha na natin yung r, magpuproceed na tayo sa pagkuha ng height. So for height, as you can see, ito yung ginamit galing sa dito na formula niya. So for height, solve for height is equals to 1 over pi r squared. Since nakuha natin yung value ng r, which is ito, substitute natin yung r. So 1 over pi, quantity of 1 half pi times 1 over 3, ito yung cube root, times mo siya sa yung exponent niya is 2 kasi squared. So magiging 1 over pi, quantity of 1 over 2 pi raised to 2 over 3. So after nun is ito na, 1 over pi cube root of 1 over 2 pi raised to 2. Ito. So yung final natin na height is 1 over pi cube root of 1 over 4 pi squared. So the value of r should be 1 over 2 pi raised to 1/3, and the value of h should be 1 over pi cube root of 1 over 4 pi squared to get the minimum cost to store a 1 liter of liquid. We are done, and that's all for today. I hope na may naintindihan kayo sa mga problems na binigay ko at yung sa explanations ko. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.